You're trying to be healthy, waking up early, maybe fasting, skipping breakfast, hitting coffee hard, getting straight to work or your workout. But what if the very way you start your day is wrecking your hormones? And you don't even know it. Let's uncover how common morning habits may be quietly throwing your metabolism, mood, energy, and fat loss hormones out of sync. Hey, welcome back to Healscape BDS, where we fix your health at the root level, not just the surface. Your morning routine sets the hormonal tone for your entire day, and if you start wrong, your body spends the next 12 hours playing catch-up. Today, I'll show you what habits spike stress hormones, what's hurting your metabolism and thyroid, and what to do instead for energy, focus, and hormone balance. 1. You're spiking cortisol with the wrong start. Your cortisol stress hormone naturally rises in the morning. That's a good thing. But many people chug coffee before water, check emails or social media instantly, skip food and rush into the day. That overdrives cortisol, leading to anxiety, blood sugar crashes, hormonal imbalances, especially in women. Fix it. Start your morning with sunlight, hydration, and at least 10 to 15 minutes of calm time before any screen. 2. You're skipping breakfast and burning out. Fasting has benefits, but it's not for everyone, especially for women or stressed individuals. Skipping breakfast keeps cortisol elevated, lowers progesterone and thyroid function, triggers binge eating or mood crashes later. If you're tired, anxious, or hormonally sensitive, break your fast within 60 to 90 minutes of waking, ideally with protein plus fat plus fiber. 3. Your coffee timing is wrecking hormone balance. Drinking coffee on an empty stomach can increase anxiety and cortisol, spike blood sugar, suppress appetite, then crash later. Delay coffee by 60 or 90 minutes after waking. Have it after food, not before. This protects your adrenals, thyroid, and gut. 4. No movement equals hormonal stagnation. Your body craves light movement in the morning, not intense workouts, especially if you didn't sleep well. Sitting or rushing non-stop raises cortisol, insulin, inflammation markers. Instead, start your day with gentle stretching, a short walk in the sun, deep breathing, or mobility work. This activates happy hormones like serotonin and gets your metabolism flowing. 5. Missing key nutrients in the morning. If you're not eating until noon, you're probably missing magnesium, calms the nervous system. Protein, stabilizes blood sugar and supports estrogen, testosterone. Omega-3s and choline, brain plus hormone function. A hormone-friendly breakfast might include scrambled eggs plus greens plus avocado, protein smoothie with chia plus flax plus berries, oats with almond butter, seeds, and cinnamon. Simple morning hormone reset routine. Within 30 minutes of waking. Water with a pinch of salt or lemon. Sunlight on skin or through a window. Light movement or 5 deep breaths. After 60 minutes. Protein-based breakfast. Then your coffee. Skip the screens as long as possible. This supports cortisol rhythm, insulin balance, thyroid health, and nervous system calm. Your morning isn't just about productivity, it's a hormonal launch pad. Start right, and your body rewards you with stable energy, better mood, clearer focus, and long-term health. Start wrong, and you spend the whole day fighting to recover. Comment below. What's the first thing you do every morning, and what will you change after this video? Like this video if you're ready to make your mornings hormone-friendly. Subscribe to Healscape BDS for more science-backed daily habits that work with your biology.